Determine the magnitude of the vector b. Okay, let's begin. So here we have the vector b. Let's note it down. B vector is given by 2 times I cap plus 3 times j cap minus 6 times k cap. And we're going to rewrite it as 2 times I cap plus 3 times j cap plus negative 6 times k cap. Now that we have expressed the vector b, now what we'll do, we will try to compute its magnitude. The magnitude of vector b, that's going to be given by, we'll have to take the square root, and underneath the square root we need to find out the sum of squares. To find out the sum of squares, we'll take the coefficient of I cap, so that's 2, square it and add it to coefficient of j cap, so that's 3, square it and then add it to square of the coefficient of k cap, and that's going to give us square root of 49, which is going to be equals to 7. That's the magnitude of our vector b.